Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about ChatGPT and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.